Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft Dream of the Dandelion Gladiator in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to launch your game via the Epic Games Launcher, and once you're in game, search for a crafting table, like this one right here in Mondstadt. Go near it and then press F to interact, like so. So here are all the items you can craft in this crafting table. Scroll down until you find Dream of the Dandelion Gladiator, which is right over here. Click on it. So the crafting materials we need are 3 shackles of the Dandelion Gladiator. If you have this in your inventory, just click on this craft button on the bottom right side of your screen, like so. So as you can see, it's going to take 1075 moras, and it's going to consume this item right here, shackles of the Dandelion Gladiator. So if you want to go through with this, just click on this confirm button and the item will be crafted and added to your inventory. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!